Hey, Jen here. I just finished work and I'm gonna start getting ready for the airport. I'm going to Chapel Hill. It's our last MDK retreat there. Leela graduates from cross residency in June. Yay, Leela. So we're gonna go and have some good quality time finishing up our new website and getting some content out for you guys. So join us, see how it goes.
A quick 54-minute flight over to Raleigh had me landing before Emily, but only long enough to do one lap around the airport before scooping her up. Hey, Em. With Emily in the car, we're headed to Leela's.
In true MDK fashion, we begin with
Ice cream.
cheers.
As a part of our retreat, we ordered white coats for the new website stock photo shoot. Emily and Leela had fun unboxing. Only took a few minutes.
Your white coat, madame. Can I coat you? You can coat me. Leela S. Brighton. Emily Van Doren, same number of syllables.
The only downside opening them the night before is they're a little wrinkly, and we are not the best with irons. Or, I guess, putting the ironing board away to be exact. Good try, Leela.
Stop.
After a good night's rest, we're headed to the office to snap some photos.
Good. One every time. One, two. There you go. Let's do one crossing your arms. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1.
We are lucky to have good friends who come to help us as extras.
Yeah.
Hey! We just wrapped on our photo session. I think we got some good shots for the website.
Yeah, we're excited for the new website to launch and to have a revamp of our photos, and we had a great photographer, so it was great.
Highly recommend. Her name is Mariana.
After a morning of photos, we stopped for the essentials prior to our afternoon of website development. Coffee! Cheers!
Hey guys, we are currently working on our new website and getting new content uploaded and finalizing some new videos and step-by-step. So I'm working on some contributions to our removable pros portion of the website. Emily, how about you?
I'm working on the armamentarium pages right now.
And I got a few things going, just editing some images, exporting from Adobe some videos, and uploading content to the new website.
Yeah, awesome.
Check it out.
Taking a walking break from recording and working on videos and the new website.
Much needed.
Yeah, we got a little antsy.
Just having our classic bagel, which we have now instituted on our MDK retreats.
Taking a break from all of the hard work on the website.
Yes, lots of computer work.
I was fully slumped.
Me too. Like literally.
What brings you joy?
It brings me great joy how many videos we uploaded to our new website and how easy it was to use our new website, and I'm really excited for all of the functions that we've been dreaming of for so long coming to the My Dental Key website soon. And it's our last weekend in North Carolina.
Wow!
Which is bittersweet. We'll miss how productive it was working together in North Carolina and having a whole room dedicated to My Dental Key, but hopefully soon we'll have a whole operatory dinner dedicated to My Dental Key and filming future videos.
See you guys in Philly.
Thanks for joining us on a productive weekend with the MDK team. We love sharing our journey to help inspire innovation in dental education. Leave us a comment below to let us know what other content we can share to help inspire you.